Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset network setting in XIAOMI Redmi Note 10. First you need to open the setting on your phone, then scroll down and find the connection and sharing. Select it, then scroll down again and find the reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Click on it. Then find the reset setting icon and click on it. Here we must confirm password. Click on the next button. And here reset all network setting now. Yes, click on the OK. And this all we reset network setting in XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 today. And this all, goodbye.